To ignore a woman is not about disrespect or passive-aggressive behavior. It's about maintaining your own frame, asserting your boundaries, and staying focused on your purpose. This isn't about avoiding women entirely, but about prioritizing yourself and not letting emotional influence or unnecessary distractions cloud your mind. Stoics know that mastery over oneself is paramount, and sometimes ignoring someone means detaching yourself emotionally to maintain control and clarity. 1. Stay focused on your purpose. Your purpose should always come first. When you have a clear vision of who you want to become and what you want to achieve, no one, man or woman, should be able to sway you off your path. When a woman senses that you are unshakably committed to your mission, she will respect you more. Ignoring her means that you don't drop everything for her attention. You respond on your own time, and your priorities don't change because of her presence. 2. Control your reactions. One of the surest ways to ignore a woman's attempts to get a reaction from you is by controlling your own emotional responses. Whether she's trying to test you, provoke jealousy, or seek validation, remain calm and unbothered. Don't give her the satisfaction of reacting emotionally. By doing so, you show that you are above the games and pettiness. This silent control makes you more powerful and sets the tone for how you expect to be treated. 3. Limit your availability. Don't always be at her beck and call. If she knows she can reach you whenever she wants, she'll lose respect for your time. Make sure that you are not always available. Prioritize your own schedule, activities, and commitments. Being busy and unavailable forces her to see that you have a life outside of her influence, and that makes you more attractive and valuable. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to always be reminded of becoming more stoic day by day. 4. Avoid overcommunication. Sometimes, the best way to ignore a woman is to say less. Don't over-explain yourself. Don't engage in every topic she brings up, and don't feel the need to reply to every message immediately. Keep your communication concise and to the point. If she asks something, answer briefly. If she initiates a conversation, let her carry the weight of it. Less is more. Your silence speaks louder than words. 5. Don't engage in unnecessary arguments. If she tries to start an argument or brings up something trivial, avoid engaging. A stoic man does not let himself be dragged into meaningless disputes. Don't argue over petty things or allow her emotions to dictate your responses. Instead, remain calm, let her speak, and move on without feeding into the drama. This shows that you are not easily manipulated by emotional tactics. 6. Hold your frame. During tests, women will test you, whether consciously or unconsciously. They might try to provoke you, question your values, or challenge your boundaries. Hold your frame, stick to your principles, and don't budge. If she sees you wavering or being swayed easily, she'll lose respect. Ignoring her tests by standing firm in your beliefs will make her see you as a rock-solid man she can't manipulate. 7. Keep your focus on self-improvement. The ultimate way to ignore a woman is to make yourself your primary focus. Invest in your health, career, hobbies, and personal growth. When she sees that you are dedicated to bettering yourself, she'll realize that you don't need her validation. This, in turn, will naturally cause you to ignore anything that doesn't align with your path. Ignoring someone doesn't mean disrespect or avoidance. It means placing your values, time, and purpose above everything else. By doing so, you show the world that you are a man who cannot be swayed by external factors, an unshakable stoic force that others must rise to meet, not pull down.